Oh, and we are stepping onto the Mardi Gras. And we made it back on. After a year, when wifey and mama had to stay back. Not this time, we're on. All right, so let's get to the Lido deck and get something to eat. You know how we do.
Only just to view on the sides of the ship, only on the right side of the ship facing forward. So that's the...
Okay. So, let's see. Got Mason, you mic'd up?
Huh?
You mic'd up.
Uh-huh. So they can hear me.
You don't have to hold it up to your mouth. They can hear it.
I know.
It's a good size room.
Yeah, it's got this. I like this.
Then I get up.
Finally.
Then
He's trying to show his bed.
this is
You don't
my
even need to do that. You only have to lay down on this side.
Huh? Yeah, but I can also do this so it can be extended.
So yeah, it doesn't feel like cramped. Yeah.
No, that's good, my love. That's good. We just want to see it.
So Mason, that's your bed. Want to show
so
the you want to show the bathroom?
Okay.
Large.
Yeah.
Like that.
Good side closet. Oh, Mason got his bed already laid out. Didn't see it. Good twin bed.
Oh, look. It's glass. It's not curtain.
Oh yeah.
And you got a fridge, Mason?
Good size. Shower glassed instead of a curtain.
You have one USB on your side, one USB on my side. And you have all these things. All right.
Then you want to get mic'd up?
Yeah. Oh,
And then
that's the difference between. And I got a lot of extra stuff.
Wow.
So yeah. Where's the TV? Oh,
Nice.
yeah, we're good. With a good size TV. And I do believe we have some, this is a light there with an extra USB on each side of the bed. So we got a good number of lights.
This is enough room. Wow.
Good enough
It reminds me of the
outlets with the vanity mirror. Here is our closet
animated movie.
for the next 7 days. This is day 1, y'all. Mason, how you feel about it?
Good.
Feel good about it?
And they have free movies.
So we got a
Like each movie is free.
good safe, so we'll put our wallet, passport, wife will put her purse and stuff in there. Yeah. Oh. And we're good. So now we're about to go get something to eat before we leave. It is now, it's only 1:43.
Okay, so there's two sides.
Yeah, and you gotta have to, it looked like you try to knock off, but I don't know how you play it.
I know how to play. Mira. Okay,
why you have your hand there?
Okay, you got one. Okay, now let's move out. I don't want to hear. You gotta set the shot. Okay, my turn, my turn. No.
Wow.
Hey, okay, my turn. No, you try. Okay, fine, I'll do it again. I'll do it again. No, that was a bad shot. Yeah, you have to put the shooter on the ground and make it bounce one over. Like this. Yeah, it's supposed to catch it, Mason.
Mason, no, you don't slam it, Mason. Oh, there they go again. Here they go. Here they go. Here they go again. They coming around. They coming around. Coming around. And they're back.
Oh gosh.
What's your room number?
14215. Thank you.
Still recording. We're headed to our excursion. There's zone number 2. We need to look for zone number 4, and I already have it in sight.
Welcome to our limousine. You may see like a bus, I see like a limousine. We're gonna have fun together today here.
All right, that'll work.
Welcome. Hey, cowboy. I don't know if I should call him cowboy or paparazzi. Lone Ranger, Colorado. Come on, go to the left, buddy. Go to the left. You hit the left. Yes, I know, Colorado.